To bring in the holiday season of Stanley Cup playoffs, I have decided what I'm going to do is I'm going to solve a Vancouver Canucks Rubik's Cube on the television, on the YouTubes, so that you could see that. And you can watch it on the telly. Here's what I'm going to do for you. This is a Rubik's Cube, what's got loads of logos, etc. on, of the Vancouver Canucks. And they're in the Stanley Cup this year, so I'm gonna fucking solve it for you. Here we go. Make sure you watch the Stanley Cup playoffs this season and cheer for the Vancouver Canucks. They're gonna fucking win it, you fucking dick.